Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into a few items that I picked up at Lowe's during their kind of early Black Friday sales they have going on. So I originally went there to record some of the deals that they had going on. Came across a lot more than I was expecting, and actually found quite a few deals that I was interested in, which is rare because I already have a lot of stuff, and it's not very common for me to pick up multiple items. I may pick up an item here and there, but they got me this time. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the items. If you guys own any of these, please let me know your guys' thoughts or experiences with them down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of the pricing that I paid for these, because a lot of these were on the sales going on, plus I was able to get the 10% military discount. So got some pretty dang good deals on these. But other than that, if you guys enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and take a look at what I got.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the items that I picked up at Lowe's, and we're gonna start off with the Kobalt 2 amp hour battery. So they had a deal on the 2 amp hour and the 4 amp hour, and then they also had combos with chargers and other things like that, all priced really well. Now if you guys follow the channel, you guys know that I only run the DeWalt 20 volt and the Milwaukee M12 for work stuff, 20 volt for work accessory stuff, and then the 20 volt for at home as well. But I don't know, more than 5 years ago I picked up the Kobalt yard kit, weed eater, leaf blower, just because it was a really good price. It came with a battery and charger. I just don't like to have multiple different chargers and batteries, so I try to stick within a couple brands. But then I found a drill that was on a shelf for $25 from Kobalt, picked that up. It's not an everyday tool, but it works really well. But the battery that came with the weed eater and leaf blower, 4 amp hour battery, is perfect. If I fully charge it before I start the yard, I can do everything I need to. But there are those times that I get done and I don't charge it, and then I get like halfway through doing my yard the next time and the battery dies, and then I gotta sit there and wait for it to charge because it's the only battery I have. And this was $20, so I just picked up the 2 amp hour, but the 4 amp hour I believe was $40. So either way, it was a really good price for both of them. So I just went ahead and picked up the 2 amp hour battery. So at least now I'm able to finish doing my yard work, whether the other battery is fully charged or not. But that is the first item that I picked up, and that was $20. Next up, I picked up the Klein Tools Blackout 2-piece screwdriver set, and I really wanted to get their Blackout flush cuts, but the Blackout ones aren't available in my location. But I did see some of the other Blackout stuff, so I picked up a couple items. This being one of them. They do have items that are not made in the USA, but this set specifically is made in the USA. Comes with the 1/4 inch, 4 inch slotted, and the number 2 Phillips 4 inch. So your standard, more common sizes. And I'll most likely do a full review on these, but completely blacked out. Now in a really bright room, you can kind of tell that the black up here and at the end is kind of like a really dark gray. And if you look really closely, it's not like your normal, acetate kind of clear black. Kind of got a haze to it, or it's hard to explain, but I can show you. You can still see through it, but that blackout look just looks sweet. It does have a square blade here on the slotted, round on the Phillips. Classic Klein handle design. There you can see the identifiers on the end, and just a close-up look at the tips. Now the only downside to these are if you work, dark area, or it's going to be a little bit easier to lose these just because of their color, but I think they look amazing. But once again, there's no difference over just your normal Klein screwdrivers to these, just the color combo. But I love the color combo, and so these ran me, the 2-piece set was at $15 with the military discount. I got it for $13.50. So I thought that was really good pricing for 2 USA made screwdrivers. So next up, I picked up the Klein Tools Blackout wire stripper and cutter, this with the curved handles. Once again, another product made in the USA. So here you can see the wire strippers are for 8 to 18 solid wire and 10 to 20 gauge stranded wire. There's just a little bit of information on the back if you would like to pause and read that. But just taking a closer look at them, Klein has so many different types of wire strippers and crimpers, it's ridiculous. But I do love that they got the little American flag laser engraved on here. They are spring loaded, locking, and you can remove the spring if that's not something that you enjoy. The handles are comfortable. I mean, once again, no difference. They have other pairs like this, but not in the blackout version. There you can see made in the USA. The handles are kind of a black and gray. I really like that color combo. So I will probably have a full review on the screwdriver and the wire stripper. Then next up, another Klein product. This is the 16-in-1 Impact Hybrid driver. I picked this up because, once again, Klein has a ton of different multi-bit screwdrivers and things like that. But this kind of 16-in-1, there's a lot going on here, and I thought it was really interesting. It was priced really well. I did forget to mention, as far as the wire strippers, we're at $20 with the military discount. I picked them up for $18. But let's go ahead. I'll show you everything that's included. So you have this bit extension here with a flip socket on the end, which is 1/4 inch and 5/16. I know it's kind of really hard to see with the lighting. Then you can see the Phillips #2 that they already have in there. You got your adapter here. This is going to allow you to either run sockets on here, or you can flip it and use it to insert the bit into the screwdriver. And then your handle also has a carousel for multiple other bits. There you can see all the other bits that are included. So there you can see your carousel for the bit storage. Phillips, Torx, slotted, square. I think this is the first Klein multi-bit screwdriver that I own with a carousel. I have one that is for the mod box stuff, but this is a little bit different design, but the extension is compatible with the other. A lot of this stuff is compatible with their other Connect stuff. And then you have your adapter here, so you can drop that in there. Now you can put a socket on there, use it as a nut driver. They do have a little locking ring in there. And then if you flip it over, insert it, now you can install your bit extension, which locks into place really nicely. Now this is not adjustable inside the handle. It's not like other models where you can slide the extension down and adjust the length, but you do kind of have your more standard length, slightly over 4 inches probably. And then this bit, or this flip socket, can slide. So when you first put it on, you got a magnetic tip there with a ball detent. If you insert it and just kind of set it right there, that is going to be the depth for inserting bits. But the socket will slide back, so then you can use it as a magnetic socket as well. But then at that point, the socket is just barely sitting in the tip. So you need to make sure that it's in the right position. But overall, I think that's a pretty cool design. I think I'm gonna get some use out of it. I don't use a whole lot of SAE, but I may also pick up their flip socket set of the metric as well. They have a really nice one for both SAE and metric. I think that's $30, but for this 16-in-1 I paid $23. So I thought that was a pretty good price, especially for everything included. Then we also picked up the newly released Kobalt 3-piece mini pliers set. This is kind of their design of the miniature pliers. Here we have the Cobras and the mini Work Pros. Those are the 4-inch ones, but this is the Kobalt 5-inch groove joint pliers. Push button. You know, it's a very cheap set, but they're miniature pliers, so they should still hold up to any task within their size, you know, capacity. They are chrome vanadium, there you can see. Got kind of a black coating on it. You know, you can feel and hear that coating rubbing on each other. The handles are double dipped. I'll have a full review on these, but that's just a quick look at the groove joint pliers. Then you have their pliers wrench. Once again, all with the double dipped handles. those don't adjust too bad. That actually feels pretty good. You do have that coating on the inside of the jaw as well. So that is their pliers wrench. Unlike the Knipex design, you can't see the teeth, but this has 3 different positions that you can open it up to. And then you have the dual opposing teeth. Then you even have vertical teeth up in there for screw extraction. I did not know that. I haven't watched too many reviews on these, just seen that they were released. So obviously, you know, the finish, it's rough. Doesn't look terrible though. I mean, this was $30 for the set. With the military discount, I got it for $27. Really not bad at all. There you can see 3 different jaw positions, chrome vanadium, button release, 14 jaw positions on the pliers wrench. I mean, while they're not the highest quality pliers in the world, they are miniature pliers, and I think they're going to hold up to any task that I would use them for. And for the price, I mean, shoot, that's a pretty good deal. But once again, I'll have a full review on that. And then I also picked up some Planters peanuts and a Carhartt coat for wintertime. We're not going to go into those. I paid $6 for the nuts and $117 for the coat. Overall, really good trip to Lowe's. Purchased more than I was planning, but that is a look at my Lowe's tool haul for the early Black Friday deals. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, but I will have full reviews on a majority of, not the battery, but probably the hand tools over here. So stay tuned for those videos. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.